They changed the rules and no one told you. The pre-sale condo market in Metro Vancouver and right here in Surrey has just shifted in a way we have never seen before. And it is not just a hiccup, it is a structural shift that will impact prices, rentals, and what gets built next. If you're thinking of buying, selling, or investing, or even renting, you absolutely need to understand this. So just stay with me. Hey everyone, I'm Sonny Bhinder, your go-to realtor for Surrey, Langley, and Greater Vancouver area. In this video, we are breaking down the real data, not the headlines, on what's happening with pre-sales, rental trends, and developer strategy in our market. And before we get into it, drop a comment with your city and whether you're buying, selling, or renting. I will respond to as many as I can. Let's start with the big picture. Developers used to pre-sell units years before construction. That's how projects got funded. But now we are seeing record levels of unsold condo inventory in Metro Vancouver. Reports show thousands of completed condos sitting unsold. And that's before we even count units nearing completion. These unsold numbers have climbed dramatically year over year, putting pressure on pricing and future launches. This has real consequences for pre-sale buyers and investors who jumped in expecting that quick turn and appreciation would happen. Part of the issue is what got built over the past decades. Small, investor-oriented units with high price per square feet. Those units flew off the shelf when investors dominated the market. But when this investor demand dried up, that system simply stopped working. Developers are now pivoting, and it is a huge strategic shift. They are moving away from sell-out pre-sale condos to rental buildings, hotel conversions, student housing, and even more family-oriented products like townhomes, duplexes, and detached houses, especially in Surrey and in Fraser Valley where buyers value space. Now let's talk rentals, which is where a lot of developers are placing bets. Across Metro Vancouver, rental vacancy rates have risen to levels not seen in decades, which means tenants have more opinions and rental rates have softened. In Surrey specifically, recent data shows average rents have dropped and vacancy rates have climbed because new rental stock is coming online. That's good for renters in the short term, but it is also evidence of how supply is outpacing demand right now. So yes, developers are building rentals because they have to, but that doesn't immediately translate into higher rents or quicker profits. Another pivot we are seeing is office and commercial conversions. With remote work increasing, that is reducing demand for traditional office space. So developers are looking at hotels, mixed use or adaptive reuse projects. These are long-term plays, not get-rich-quick deals. So where does this leave you? If you're a buyer, this market gives you leverage and choice, especially in resale and reconfigured development. If you're an investor, anything reliant on rent growth alone may underperform in the short term. But yes, in the long term, it's going to hold value. And it will still make sense if you're strategic. If you're selling, pricing and presentation matters more than ever. And here's the twist, because so many new projects have slowed or been cancelled, we may see a shortage of new for sale products in the late 2028 till 2030 timeframe, which could reset pricing dynamics again. If this was helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for weekly updates and drop your questions below. I read each one of those. If you're thinking about buying, selling, or investing, here in Greater Vancouver, my contact info is below. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.